Even my dad, nung nagpapagamot kami sa Singapore, sabi nga nung aking brother-in-law, Ate Alice, kaya lang kumakain ng daddy. Kasi nahiya sa hindi siya kumain. Pero minsan gusto na niyang give up. Pero pag nandun ako, hindi, alam ko na malulungkot si Alice pag hindi ko nilo. Talagang the whole time na nagpapatreatment ang daddy noon, nandyan ako. Kasi siguro ang masasabi ko, talagang wag natin talagang pababayaan or iiwanan ang mga magulang natin. Kasi kung di sa kanila, wala naman tayo dito eh. Kaya tayo nandito dahil sa kanila.
The first appearance of my dad pala was in YouTube, was when we were walking in Sephora. He keeps on tailing me, like following me. Dad, why are you here? I'm in Sephora. I have to buy my makeup. But he keeps on following me, and I said, Joel, can you just bring daddy out? Because you know, he was with us and we're doing makeup thing. But he's always there, and that's the thing. And he was like scolding me when I said that. And it was caught on camera, and of course, it was included in the vlog.
Wala kayong lalabas sa iba. Bakit nagtatawanan mo?
Hindi na fair. Come on, Lolo. Come on, Lolo.
Ayoko na sa susunod, nakasabay kayo.
And that was the first appearance, the debut appearance of my dad in my vlog, and he became a hit. Hello! Anong merienda?
Walang merienda.
Oh my gosh, Lolo, how are you? How are you, Father? Ay, naku, si Father nagre-rest. Dito sa airport? Sige. Sige, pwede siya maghatid sa airport. Samahan mo Mariam. Maraming driver. Okay, sige, punta. Si Lolo will bring us to the airport. Yay! I'm so happy kasi last time may sinabi siya, no? Sabi mo, last na sa airport. No, it's not the last.
Hindi na kakain.
Okay na, kainin kami. Sige, alis tayo. 30 minutes.
Bakit?
No, kasi mag-merienda pa ako. Okay. So, dadaan ka sa airport? Marian, sama kayo. Okay. So, yes, yahatid ko ni Daddy sa airport. Finally. Tim, what merienda do you like? Can you just say hi to Lolo?
Mir, gusto mo hatid tayo.
Half daw sila. Okay, half kayo ng bar. Oh my God, ang sweet ni Lolo. Half mo daw, half daw. Lolo wants to half with Timmy boy. Bait. Tim, binigay ka ni Lolo ng burger. Say thank you. Sabi mo.
Hindi ako.
Daddy, why you're in the second floor? Hindi ka allowed dito. Daddy, ba't nasa second floor ka? Hindi ka allowed. So, pwede umakyat here. Teka, look. Sige, look. You like to look inside the room? Alan, Marnel! My gosh, yung alaga nyo. Bored na siya. Alam mo, Marnel, yung alaga mo, saan na? Ayaw niya magpaalala eh. Oh my gosh, look at my papa. He's so bored. Father! Ready for the New Year later. Si Lolo tumutulong. Daddy, mag-rest ka lang. Don't. Oh my God, getting busy for the countdown later. And look at Lolo. He's so busy making mando here. Lolo, what do you think?
Hindi ko nangyari. Pinapotograph na eh.
Huwag ka mag-photograph, hindi ko yan tapos.
Kung nanayusin niyo, insilya.
May ano ka?
Wala ko
Wala siyang pakialam, huwag mong isali.
Ay, ako. Hirap na ako.
Kaya nga you rest na. Why you're making pakialam? Ay naku, Daddy. Baka bakanti ka naman eh. Kinakalimutan mo ibang silya. Ready for the 2020 countdown. Oh my gosh, tumambay pa talaga. Father, ano yan? Ay, dead ma. Hello, Daddy. Happy New Year. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, Father. It's so nice to see you after 3 months. And look, your hair is so long na. Yoo-hoo! Long hair na siya, no? My dad's sporting a long hair, Hindi, konti lang. Kasi ang mapangit lang naman yung dulo, eh.
Magkano ang bayad niya?
Daddy, bayaran mo lang ako ng 100,000, okay na. Handsome na,
Talagang hindi na ito sa kaluwa. Ito, sana na tagal.
Father, what can you say with your new hair?
Yari mo niya kaya, Alice. Hindi ka sana small eh.
Kasi lahat na tayo. Ikaw na daw.
Yari na. Tama na, yari na.
Ay, walang tiwala. Walang tiwala. No trust. The third daughter to cut the hair. Mama's so scared.
Ito ba yan?
Ayoko na.
Hi, Dad.
Ano, napagod ka na?
Pagod ka ba?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Oh, come on, sit down. Sit. Ay, pakita mo kay Lolo yung lemon ko. Would you like to look at my vegetation program? Daddy, akin na yung Rolex mo, yung watch. Daddy, mine na lang your watch. Daddy, you're on the fifth floor of the house. Fifth floor. Ay, nakita mo din, halika. Pakita mo, pinaglalagay parang lulo, tapos na yun. Tama, solid talaga yun.
Hindi, yung mga puno eh.
Tatay. Fresh.
Paano no? Gapalan nyo yung lupa rito.
Bakit ba?
Para may prutas kayo.
May papaya pa kami. Eh, no, kalamansi. Nakita mo ang dami.
Eh, maliliit eh.
Kalamansi. Dati nakita mo.
Wala kayong 50 dami pitas eh.
Ay, hindi. Nakita mo. Okra. Edi okra.
Hindi ako interesado din sa mga halaman. Sawa ako sa halaman.
Parang nagigis mo yung mukha ni Lola. Kami lang para siya.
That was contestant number 2 of Eduardo's Got Talent.
What is the price? How much? Price, How much?
5,000.
Stop talking. Stop talking. Wala ito sa mood. Bakit dati wala ka sa mood? Sabi wala ka sa mood.
Christmas, Lolo!
Lolo!
Mabait pala, mabait.
Yes, Pasko, Pasko na, Pasko. Hello, Father! How are you? Nice to see you again. Hi! Naku, ayaw magpa-camera. Okay, we're having shabu-shabu. Hi, Lolo. Lola. Ate, masarap ba ito?
Bahala kayo, kumakain ka.
Ay, teka, si Daddy daw, bibigyan daw kayo ng angpaw, girl. Daddy, angpaw daw, hihingi si Joy.
Hindi na ako sinasabi sa ganun.
No, Daddy, yun daw ang pau nila. Kasi nagstay sila till the end.
Mag-withdraw ko bukas.
Magwi-withdraw daw siya bukas. Oh my gosh, malaki-laki yan. So, Daddy, paano? Babalik sila tomorrow. Babalik tomorrow. Babalik. Are they gonna go back tomorrow?
Daddy, alis na po kami. Masaya na. Happy siya. Happy po kayo. Alis na kami.
Buti, makakatulog na ako.
Look at my father. Nakaslouch. Ay, Daddy, it's okay. It's okay. The visitors won't mind you.
See you again. You look very well.
Very shy.
Yeah, super shy.
Grabe, walang kapake-pakean si Father, Deadman. Ayaw siyang makinig.
Bira naman. Eh, tama na yung camera.
Daddy, it's your treat today, ha? Libre mo, ha? It's your treat, ha?
Tutulog ako, binakabala. Small. May senior kami dito.
May senior kami.
Ng 20%, saka mabawas mo yung 20.
Kasi yun ang sabi niya, sa senior citizen. Sabi niya, hindi totoong binabawas yung less 20 ng senior.
Bali, total bill po niya na lahat. Saka po yung lesson kayo dito po.
Yun.
Pero papakita mo muna sa kanya yung deal.
Yes po.
Gusto niyo makita mo na yung bill.
Kasi duda siya eh.
Ayan, sinabi niyo na daw kasi kaya alam na nila. Guys, my dad, hindi kasi believe siya sa less 20 ng senior. Kaya sabi niya, kailangan ipakita yung bill minus less. Dinadagdag lang daw yung 20% para ile-less yung 20% ng senior. That's always the argument when he showed his senior citizenship. Daddy ko ba magtitreat? Naiwanan daw yung wallet niya. Ay, senior card! Senior credit card! 4,000. Ay, ganda ng wallet. Ay, ang dami pera! Ay, Daddy, ako dito. Yabang.
Hindi na. Meron pa.
Ito. Ay, ang dami. Grabe.
Napapasin.
Tama ba?
Okay, tama. Okay. 12. Ibayad.
Susunod, hindi na ako sasama.
Ay! Bakit? Bakit gusto ka namin kasama?
Bakit ako nakabalik ka agad? Nakapag sa toilet.
Ang dami pala ng dalang pera, no?
Babalik yung binayad niya. Ito dapat tayo ibalik pa daw
Bayaran
ngayon.
mo na, bayaran mo na.
Ikaw konti yan.
Bayaran mo na. Ay,
Bililik na.
ayaw mo. Akin na.
Ay, bakit pa? Wala na nga akong payo ngayon. Ayaw ko na.
You are on cam. Hello, Daddy. You can just say hi to everyone. Hi, Daddy. Oh, he's a snob, you know.
Ayaw ko na dito.
Pampaspoil ng mga politiko yan.
May mga nakaharang sa kalsada. Sa
Kasi hindi ka dahan-dahan.
Nandyan, nakaharang.
Si Alan, nasa si Alan. Wala kang alalay.
Payo nga wala ako.
Dad, can you say hi to my vlog? You have so many fans and followers. Can you say hi, vlog? Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Naging shy. From sobrang nababa, ha? My dad and I really love lechon.
Gusto ko chicken. Wala akong chicken.
Bakit punta ka ng US?
Si Alison, mag-stay na dyan. Hindi na babalik. Doon siya mag-aaral lolo. So hindi mo makikita si Alison lolo.
Ana, ikaw hindi makita!
Hindi na ako balik.
Hi, Daddy. How are you? Dad, it's so nice to see you integrated.
Stop na!
He's happy kanina. Nung wala ka, happy siya. Ba't yun yung game? Daddy, what can you say?
I don't like fun.
Michael?
Don't go there! Don't block the way! You're blocking it!
Daddy, be careful with your head. Look. Your head. Here. Ay. Oh my gosh.
Eh bakit pinatatawanan mo ako? Pinatatawanan, hindi naman ako nabangga.
I have suka here.
There's suka here.
Kalamansi, ma'am.
You have suka, but no pancit.
Lolo, you said 2 plates.
What?
You said 2 plates.
Yeah, for yours, nga lang. Give me your plate. Here, nga lang. You bad, ha?
You like the mom?
You're just telling the truth.
I'm telling the truth.
I don't like it to be.
What do you say?
Go there. Mga sinasabi. Hindi basta kumain na lang. Tatawag.
Kaya niyo pa bang kumain ng dinner?
Ito na.
Dinner, mamayang gabi, sa restaurant.
Hindi na siguro.
No more.
Lalo ko ako babayad.
So no more.
Pag ako babayad, no more.
No more, okay.
Put all.
Jirin, put more suka for Lolo, ha? Give all.
You put in my bag.
No, Daddy has to pay.
Daddy, you have to pay them.
He said he does not like this group.
Bakit ako lang inaro? Dami, oh. Nagtatawanan lang. Oh, nakaharap naman eh.
Si PJ nandyan! Bye, Lolo! Bye, Lolo! Bye, Lolo! Hi! It's my birthday. That's why I'm here. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Meeting! Guys, nagtutulog-tulugan! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! How are you?
Lalo pa lang ko eh.
Regalo! Oh,
Kahit na.
cash! Gusto niya ng cash, hindi kami. Wow!
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Can you say hi? Mother, Father, alam niyo ba magkakaroon na ako ng TV show? Small's World. What can you say, Daddy? Marami kayo nakuha.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Pinapahiya ako, grabe.
You guys, sige. You think, yeah. You put you. You put you more. So, okay.
Hi, Lolo. What are you looking at? Lolo, what are you looking at? What's your... Sino maingay?
Hindi sapatos.
My God, so reklamador talaga. Ay, ayaw na hiya. Ayaw. Oh my God, may shy-shy pa siya. Oh my gosh, kailan niya natutunan to? Ay.
Diba, nasa 8 oras dito.
Alas 8 ng gabi.
Gabi ba?
Oo.
Umaga.
Gabi.
Sino ba totoo sa inyo pili? Umaga ba? Hindi totoo. Anong oras ba?
Ito, tinitingnan ko. Oh, morning. Daddy, 8 o'clock. Daddy, 8 o'clock a.m. You gonna go. You have to go now to the airport. You gonna go. You have to go.
Wala akong gabi.
Kanina, iting chinyek ko ngayon, morning na ulit. Daddy, where have you been? Ikaw ang pinaka-late. Lahat nandito na.
Emergency lang.
Emergency. Saan nag-emergency? Baka makancel yung flight nila because of Taal eruption. Eh, yung daddy ko, sobrang excited na umuwi. Baka mag-tantrums pag na-cancel yung flight. Father, excited ka na ba umuwi? Sobrang excited. Daddy, okay ba? Umita lang daw siya. Hi, Dad. What can you say about the place?
No, the person I don't like.
Oh my God, can we just go home? Okay. You go, bawal lumabas.
Bawal lumabas, oh. Bawal lumabas.
You cannot go out. Where will you go?
Tatayo.
No, we will eat here. After 91 days, what can you say after seeing me? Ay. Hindi, I'll play the piano for you. Oh my gosh, ang dead mo talaga. And, masaya ka ba, Father?
Gutom na ako eh. Inaamon pa ako.
Ano matagal ko? Fine. Adara, smile. Hindi naman ang sinasabi. Gusto kong mahuli na sinasabi niyo yung matagal. Hindi na to complain. O, still smiling.
Eh, sobrang tagal na eh.
Naiiritan na ang tagal daw ng ito.
Eh, wala rin naman yung bibig ko eh.
Guys, hindi na ito nagpipicture. Inaano lang namin siya. Ang pinipiko namin, guys. Smile! Daddy! So nice to see you here in Bataan! Oh, in Bataan. Naku, oh my gosh, ayan. Nag-OA na sa harap ng camera.
Tama na eh. Bakit pa taking some picture? Small. Ano, small loud eh? Sa anak ka ba yun? Ha?
Kuya,
Bakit small loud eh?
kay ma'am yung t-shirt.
Loud eh? Eh, small. Bakit? Kasa small. Ano, vlog? Ano ba yung vlog?
19 ka na? 19 ka din?
Parang 29 eh. Sexy oh. Oh my God.
Sorry guys, no! Napaka-full of memories ang Bataan. Of course, it started with the Derek and Ella wedding. Nakaikot po kami pretty much dito sa Bataan. Oh my God, Lolo! Good afternoon!
Ah, good morning.
Nagiging OA pag nasa harap ng camera.
Baka maubo.
The eat girl! I'm the eat girl?
Grabe.
Guys, nandun si Daddy. Try natin mag-Q&A with him, ha? Pero medyo nag-OA pag may camera. Hi, Father! How are you? Are you enjoying the afternoon?
Hindi ako sumama sa inyo.
Dad, mali na naman. You're putting your mask the wrong way. Put it up, Father.
Hindi ako sumama. Baka ako hindi kayo naliligo lahat eh. Hindi ako
Ayun na
sumama
naman. Naligo na kanyang lahat. Nag-shower.
eh. Sigurado.
Yes. Pero Father, happy ka ba nandito ka sa Nueva Ecija today?
Hindi ako happy. Kasama kayo.
Ay, paano ikaw? Iwanan ka na namin.
Buti ka.
Basta may camera, hindi sasagot ng maayos. Sure yun, 100%. So guys, hindi siya sasagot ng maganda kasi nakakam siya. Medyo nag-OA.
Pero pag wala ng camera, ayan na. Okay na siyang kausap. So guys, yung interview ko, Q&A. Oh, natuwa pa kayo.
Mga nakikinig sa'yo, wala rin naman kwento.
Oh, sino ba yung mga nanonood?
Tawanan.
Oh, ayun yung nanonood, wala rin daw. Merry Christmas! Oh, say Merry Christmas to all of them. Ayan ba eh, pero big si Father. So Daddy, ayaw mo mag-abroad? Do you like to go to LA?
Pera.
Ay, Vera. Ay, nakakaniyak. Kasi daw, cash! Hindi, cash! Cash! Bye!
Magbabay, ayaw ko sumakay.
Ay! Bye, Daddy! Daddy, see you in February. Daddy, pupunta na ako Amerika, ha? My God,
Dati, alis na sila ng States.
bye, Daddy. At pupunta na kami, ano? Pupunta na kami. Okay, see you in February. Teka, bakit si Daddy merong yung passbook dito?
Iba naman eh, bak?
Hindi, gusto ko malaman ba't may passbook. Mag-withdraw ba tayo? Magkano ba ito? Magkano? Ay! Hi! Oh my gosh, my dad is there. Hi, Father! Happy Father's Day! Oh my gosh! Guys, intermission lang. Okay.
Silent.
Ay, silent! Silent down! Hello, Father! Happy Father's...
Stop the noise.
Stop the noise! Happy Father's Day, Lolo! Happy Father's Day, Father!
Don't disturb me, I'm drinking.
Where's Papa? Hello, Father! It's your injection day today. Magkakaroon ka na ng vaccine. What can you say?
Tutulog ako eh.
Ay, tutulog. No, we have to go na. Father, you're getting your vaccine. Madami tingnan. Don't look. Ay, bakit scared? Don't look. Stress. Don't look. Stress kanina ko. Dade, hindi ma... Dade, huwag kang pumadyak, Dade. O, done na. Finish na. Yay! May vaccines na sila. Are you happy with your injection? What can you say?
Injection.
Kanina, nag-vaccine ka.
Saan? Hindi na?
Yeah!
Nakalimutan ko.
Ay, you don't remember? Ay, mo pa muwi. Let's go home.
Hindi ko na makain eh.
We're here at Parental's house because we're leaving for Europe and we want to bond with my papa. Hello, Dad. I'm visiting you. Ay, maarte daw ako. Oh my God. Bye-bye, Lolo. Okay, Papa brought us here and I told him 2 weeks kami. Sobrang tagal daw ng 2 weeks. Birthday boy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Today is your birthday. Happy birthday. How old are you?
November ba ngayon?
Yes, 88 years old. May dinner tayo. So we're celebrating your birthday. Father, can you say
No
hi?
eh, bayo ko na kung ikaw lang.
Happy birthday!
Sino ba may best?
Hi, Daddy! Nice to see you here. My father is here. Sasakay ka? Philip! Gusto daw niyang sumakay. Hi, Daddy! So nice to see you. Happy birthday, Timmy! Embrace Lolo. Hi, Daddy! Are you happy to be here?
No?
Why?
Sino yung 1 year?
You're one.
I don't know where to go.
Daddy, you right there. What can you say about my house, Father?
Asa yung beto?
Hindi ako nakapunta kaninang breakfast. Dami kami sisig. Daddy, si Alice ako. Pansinin mo kung ako si Small. My dad, look, he's a snob and he left me.
I'll go away.
I go away. He said he'll go away because I just saw him after 3 weeks. Oh, look at him, how he behaves. He's so cute, guys. Only now you like it. Naku, I have to tell ate.
I don't like that here.
We don't like why?
Now only,
Now only because of them, you don't like it.
they are not showering. Ano ba yan? Sa kilig-kilig.
Gwapo niya pa rin, ma'am.
Gwapo talaga, super.
Totoo sari siya, sabi mo ha?
Opo, dyan nagbana si Ma'am Small.
Tama na. Sama pala pagka may mga takip ng bibig, lalong madaldal. Sino ba yan? Ayan, sino yan? Ayun, sino ba yan? Ako ba yan?
Ikaw.
Maganda yung nakikita, kaya nakakabuti yung dinig, ano?
Alin, Daddy?
Sabihin mo yun.
Sino ba yung maingay? Sino ba yun?
Nakakabusit. Ewan ko, sino?
Ha?
Pagi pa.
Yan yung farm.
Sa ganda ng farma na. Dami na ako mangga. Kaya lang maingay yung pinipita. Kaya nabubulok yung mangga, maingay.
Ba't niyo to iniwan?
Bakit tinuwanan niyo ako?
Oh, hindi. Let's go. So, we're going back to the US and my dad will bring me to the airport. Come on, father. Yes.
Mahabol ako. Baka ako bigyan akong pere.
Ay, wag na yan. Bye, Lolo. Lolo.
Abala ako sa pagkain.
Huwag mo siya inaabala. My father, you know, TJ is my editor. He made you very popular. Alam mo, ano sabi niya kanina? Binasikat niya ako. Saan niya ako binasikat? Hindi ako.
Now, you make me
Very popular also.
Naughty.
You will make him very naughty. You will show.
before popular.
Before popular, now very naughty. Okay, let's go.
Dito ko nag-grade 1 eh.
Where?
Andiyan yung eskwela.
Your school, before. Before you moved to Manila.
Hello, father. It's so nice to see you.
Don't like to see.
Ano, lolo, you'll walk? Ganun.
Hoy! Bakit?
Ano, we have to go back the road.
No! I don't like to go back. Why not round?
Alright.
So we can why push not? Dog?
Yeah,
back?
go. Rabbit.
Is there dog at the back?
Oh no, there's another car. Oh. Magkasalubong lolo.
Who is that?
And that's your car eh.
I don't do anything. I just want merienda.
Where do you want to eat, lolo?
I don't know where to eat. I want only to eat.
Go to any restaurant here, lolo.
Stop talking.
O, tignan mo, meron akong picture kay Daddy, oh. Thank you, Daddy.
Mo, nakapula ka. Pinilit mo, sino nakapula pa kita? Ba't naman malaki ang katawan? Sino nakapula malaki ang katawan?
Oh, talagang we're so embarrassing. Oh my God. So scandalous.
Siya po yan, guys. Yung malaking katawan niya. Pulang isa.
So, okay guys, it's dinner time now. Let's eat. So guys, okay, let's go and eat lechon na.
Bye, bye.
Ayan. Smile. Hi Lolo, Merry Christmas.
Hindi ayoko na.
Kasi Merry Christmas! Philip, bibigyan mo sa akin?
Pugin na ako eh.
Lolo, okay.
The kids are still sleeping. They went home so late.
Ayaw ko matami sa small eh. Ayaw ko lumaki sa'yo eh.
My dad is here and doesn't want to be seated with me tonight. But he has no choice. Daddy, are you happy we're together? Cute. First time ni mother.
Opposite.
Ay, opposite. He's not happy daw.
And si mother, first time mag-dinner out after pandemic. I hope it will be the start of kakakamiti. Mahilig siya sa balat. Puro balat.
Balat.
Puro balat.
Baka panay po ito na ibibigay eh. Agil! Sino kayo? Bakit ako minato?
Kilala ko po sila.
Louded? Hindi, bakit ba... Hindi, bakit ba ako ginati niyo? Bata ko. Bakit ako binati mo?
Pogi niyo po eh.
Ayun! Ayun!
Ayun pala yung
Pogi!
Babay. Babay po.
Hindi, ayoko ng babay.
Sige po, mag-stay po kami sa inyo.
Kasa, gusto ko.
Lolo, sa gulo, no?
The vlog. Lagi po kami nanonood. And so, we'll be super honored.
Ay, ayoko na naman. Kayo manonood. Ayoko na kayong dalawa.
Opo.
Naglalakad ko sa YouTube kasi ang pogi-pogi.
Magpapaniwala ko sir, magiging. Paniwala na maganda ang sinasabi. So, ikaw naman baliktad.
Baliktad! O, di ba ang pogi tayo?
Hindi tayo.
Ay, ikaw lang pala. Ikaw lang.
Ikaw
lang. Ikaw tsaka ako.
Ay, baliktad.
Ako tsaka ako. Ako tsaka ako.
Tama. Ako tsaka ako. Yaman na. Pero yan.
Opo.
Inaabala mo.
Can you say hi to the vlog? There. Can you say hi to the vlog?
Ay.
He's so kulit na. That's why I don't vlog him.
Ang ganda na naka-pink and red.
Sino ba yung maingay? Naingay?
Natatandaan niyo po. Oo, Aren.
Eh, nung maganda eh, ngayon hindi na maganda eh.
Si Sharon Cuneta po. Ay, joke siya. Eh, biro lang. May gan, akala ata niya talaga.
Sa mga pag-aritsura siya ako, no?
Basta bagay yung ni Sharon Cuneta. Kasi akala niya si Karen daw. Pero Sharon is beautiful.
This is so good.
Dada, what can you say about it?
Ayoko.
Can you bring us to the airport? You want?
You want to go to the airport with them?
Ayoko pagka sila.
Ay! Kasi mo-traffic na no more kawawa when...
Hindi, sino masasabi?
Opa, he likes, ha? He likes talaga. He likes.
Ah, gusto ko. Gusto ko.
Oh, he really likes. Oh my gosh. Daddy likes to come with us. So sad na. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'll bring him in my house in Green Hills. Kasi sabi niya naboboard na daw siya. So sabi ko, dati pa siya. Ayaw na. Ay, ayaw na. So here with my dad, we'll have dinner. Tapos we will eat there. Diyan tayo.
Kumain na, makauwi na.
Na nga, nainip na siya. Bored na siya ulit dito. Bored siya
Uy,
sa...
tama na yan. Ayoko na nga. Sama tayo makain.
Pa-prepare niya yung
Kumain
food.
na tayo para makauwi na.
Ay, daddy!
Hindi,
Huwag ka magmadali. Don't rush.
Hindi, gusto ko makapo sa labas man lang.
Oli ka dyan. Ay, gusto niya doon sa lanay. O sige, daddy, hintayin lang natin muna yun. Pa-prepare mo na yung
Pwede
food.
pala eh, may mga tao pala rin.
Yeah, gusto niya merong nakikita.
Pagdas mo na lang.
Ay, ay! Si Lolo naboboard na, uwi na daw siya. He just arrived like 5 minutes ago. So, okay, pahanda ng lot yung food. Para gusto niya sa lanay, outdoor. He wants to walk around na.
Ay, pinaupo ako, ayaw hindi ako pakakanin.
Dati pinag-prepare yung dinner natin. Who's this?
Hindi ko kilala eh.
Oh my God, your most beautiful daughter yan. Okay. While waiting for our dinner,
Tama na picture. Uy.
ayaw magpakuha ng video. O, halika na, let's eat na. Halika na. O, daddy, later.
Eh baka kasama si Philip, i-eat.
Siyempre, of course.
Ayoko na.
Our visitor is very excited. Halika na, sige.
Nahirapan ako sa pagtakip. Dito. Bakit pa pinipicture mo ako?
Alam mo, stop na. Okay, stop na.
Wala pa ng pagkain eh.
Daddy, we have to cook outside.
Ay, magkukok pa.
Ay, naku. Daddy, you stay here. Dapat itawag.
Bakit ba ayaw pa ilagay? Ay, iihaw pa pala. Ay, naku, mag-iihaw pa pala.
No, mabilis
Ayoko
yan.
na, uwi na ako.
O, gusto mo half tayo sa rice?
Eh, bakit pa tinitipid mo ako sa rice? Philip, ayoko na kumain dito, tinitipid ako.
O, sige, yan. Okay.
Ay, tama na.
O, daddy, look,
Kaya mo,
mas
okay na to. Ayun, kaya mo ganun.
Baka hindi
Kaya,
niya
binabaliktad mo yung...
so many complaints.
Hindi lang complaint, nabubusit.
See, you like toyo. That's bad for you.
Yung inumin kaya, masarap.
Do you like to drink soda? What else?
So, kung pinaripipili,
Water na lang.
bubulong mo lang.
Bye, Lolo! Philip! Bye! Bye! Hasta la vista, baby!
mana yung gusto ko ba? Hindi ba?
Cash daw. Bye, Cash.
Sexy.
Ay, sexy. Ang sexy ko daw. Grabe naman si Lolo. Okay, that's Marilyn Monroe. Very beautiful. Hi! He knows the lyrics, huh? 60s. Hi, memorize niya yung lyrics.
Oo, kanta ko nung araw yun. How old are you, Daddy? Nung ako'y gwapo. Nung ako'y kakaedad ni Philip, hindi ako gwapo nung neyo ko na. Oo. Hindi, nung ako'y nung kabinataan ko noon, ako'y gwapo. Name you.
Dati very shy siya. Ngayon, ba't nawala yung pagka-shyness?
Easy only, cause you lonely, they have many.
You know the word, huh? You know the lyrics.
Do you smile to temple lover, Mona Lisa? What is it under?
Ano sabi mo?
Nagyayabang.
Nagyayabang. Alam yung lyrics.
Yeah. Kabisado mo.
Kabisado niya.
Mona Lisa. Ay, hindi ba kamukha? Pili, pag pinunta mo, kamukha kamukha.
Yay! Medicine ka, Dade.
Nag-medicine ako, nakatapos ako. Walang papagamot sa akin, nag-dentist tayo. Hindi naman ako.
Walang nagpagamot. Nag-dentist na lang, guys. Pre-med pala.
Sa US ako pagtapos. Dentistry sa UE.
Okay. Yes, Sarah, Sarah. Whatever will be, will be. The future belongs to see, not ours to see. Que sera, sera. Belong to see. Que sera, sera.
Sira, sira.
Be will be.
There the night.
Actually, nice songs.
My little darling. We're playing. Ayun pala, nababasa pa din.
Na meron akong income pagka nag-hi ka. O say hi. Oh, si Lolo is so busy getting his food. Yes, you can put sa chicken. Yes, put there. Oh, ano pa ang gusto ni Father? Dati doon tayo.
Ayoko dito, gusto ko sa restaurant. To say thank you
Yan nga, why? Thanks for
because of the dollars. Yung dollar na
You know,
sobra.
guys, my daddy make me salubong.
Ay, nako.
And it's 10:30 at the midnight.
Hindi ko alam nagpunta kayo sa...
Came from the States. Very short trip. Ang cute ng wheels mo, Dad.
Oh, galing ha? That's good.
Ang cute. Hi, Ma. Daddy will sleep here later. Can you sleep? You want to sleep here?
Matutulog sila yun.
So, Daddy? No, here with Daddy. I'll make him pasyaw. Because tomorrow I'm leaving
Oh,
for...
seatbelt.
A seatbelt daw. Oh my God. Daddy, it's okay. Safe tayo. O kahit walang seatbelt.
Hindi, hala na. Hindi na.
Okay na. Naghahanap ng seatbelt si Father.
Bakit labas kitang mahal?
Ay, ano ba yan? Sino nag... Teka, ay,
Labis. Sino mahal? Ikaw, hindi ko mahal.
alam mo si Francis nagtatagalog song.
Di,
Oh my God, gusto niya yung nakikita
Gusto ko sa baba. Lord, mamaya doon ako.
Ah, sige. Mamaya, later.
Ayoko rin.
Later, gusto mo sarap. Wow, may siomay and siopaw.
Isa nun. Titikman ko lang.
Wow, ano yung siomay and siopaw?
Kunin mo yung siopaw. Sa'yo na.
Ano
Kunin mo yung...
Ano asado?
Dali mo pala dito.
Okay.
Dali mo.
Okay, give it to me.
Hindi lahat.
Leaving for Tokyo tonight. Okay, the very consistent papa always brings us to the airport. Bye, Father. Bye, Father. Very consistent. Are you sad? Oh, my dad is asking how long kami wala. And asking if Joel is kasama. I wanna hug him. He's so cute. I wanna hug him. Come on, let's go. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Dad. Hello. Oh, so cute.
Daddy, yan babayaran. Daddy, babayaran yan, ha?
Bayaran po natin muna. Kunin niyo na po. Ayaw mo nang mag-states. Sa tayo.
Ayoko na. Kung maaari, ayoko na. Para ano pa pumunta sa Amerika, no? Hindi na niya kaya. Maghahanda ka pa ng bag, lahat.
Maleta mo, ano?
Oo, yung ganun.
Yung pag-pack.
Believe. You believe I'm lawyer? Liar.
Liar. Not lawyer, liar. Lola, sit down and join us. What do you like? There.
Try to sit with them.
You don't like to sit with Aton.
Aton.
Aton, Lolo's talking to you, ha?
You sit there.
Can you laugh at his jokes?
You don't know how to laugh at my joke.
Bye, Lolo. Bye, Lolo. So before I go to America, very ganda. Hey guys, that's it for Allison's birthday dinner. So, okay, before we go to America, okay, spending time with the family. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Hello guys, you know, this is a tribute for my dad, and as you can see, I'll just tell you what happened from the last vlog. Supposedly, dapat 3 weeks kami sa LA, but nakat short yung trip because, you know, I got a call from ate. Oh my gosh, it's the hardest and the worst call that I got. I thought it was mga biglaan lang na usually dinadala namin si dad sa ER and wala namang problema. Pero ito guys, ito ang pinaka-worst. My God, when ate called me sa FaceTime, I saw my dad na parang they're putting an IV. So guys, nung nakita ko nag-IV na kay daddy, oh my gosh, parang pain na pain siya, sakit na sakit siya nung pinapasok. And imagine, nakasabi pa yung dad ko na, Small, nasan ka ba? Huwag ka muna kumain. That was the last words na sinabi niya kasi hindi ko na talaga matake na naglalagay sila ng IV kay dad na talagang in pain na. And kasi that time, we were supposed to fly to San Fran the next day. The doctor and si ate called me and sabi nila, I have to book the first flight out for Manila. So my God, sabi ko, this is serious. My God, I cannot take this. So, sabi ng doctor, Small, you have to come home and call everyone na alis. So, sobra kong shock kasi nung guys, last vlog ko, di ba sobrang saya si daddy. Tapos biglang yun na yung last. Nausap ko sa kanya. So, sabi ng doctor, baka hindi ko na daw maabutan si dad. I said, no, I cannot even accept.
Mahal kita, Daddy.
Si Small, darating mamaya. Naku, darating si Small. Yes, naku, hindi ka lang iiwanan.
Daddy? Daddy?
Inaantay ka na sa bahay raw.
So, we booked the first flight out for Manila. And then, it will take like 18 hours. And my gosh, when I was in the plane, it was the longest flight of my life. So, sobrang I was praying to God, kneeling, nakikiusap ako, Lord, please, I just want my dad alive and hug him. And, please, Lord, maabutan ko lang si dad. So, when we landed, Karen said, you have to go straight to the car and diretso ka na sa St. Luke's. So, when I saw them, sila Karen was there and I saw lahat ng kids, all my siblings, they were all there. Then I saw my dad was like there na. And that's the time, oh my gosh, parang I cannot believe sila ate was crying. And that's the time na really, the doctor said, you really have to say everything na and maririnig kayo ng dad. And you know what? I was hoping na mauuwi pa namin yung dad and I was praying, Lord, can you just give several months or a year? Kasi gusto ko pang mag-bond with my dad. Kasi I want to spend more time and spend the most out of it. Pero imagine I was even expecting mauuwi namin yung dad sa house. My dad waited for me after 1.5 hours. Nag-passed on na siya. So we were talaga, I cannot accept that.
The heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart. Left the rest in peace.
My God, we went home and the next day, we went to Heritage kasi ilalagay na si dad sa casket so we have to check. And then, that's the time I realized when I saw my dad on the table, oh my God, wala siyang shoes and everything. Oh my gosh, hindi ko talaga, my God, that's the time I realized my dad is gone. So, talagang, even, is always ate who's our guiding light. She's always the strongest, hindi yan umiiyak. Every time I had problems, laging siya lang yung very strong. Pero this time, ate needed support also. So we were both there sa Heritage. We were talagang crying. We cannot believe. And my God, that's the most painful and the most traumatic for me when I saw si daddy nandun na sa table. Ang sakit, grabe. So that's the time talagang sobrang painful. So,
Guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be safe.
I pray we'll find your light
Pray we'll find your light
and hold it in our heart.
and hold it in our heart.
When stars go out each night,
Stars go out each night.
remind us where you are.
Remind us where you are.
Let this be our prayer.
Let this be our
I know you were a great father to your children. I'm so proud of how you and Lola raised my mom, Tita Alice, Tita Melba, and Tita Joel. You were also a great grandfather to my cousins and I. So I would like to say it was such an honor and privilege being your grandchild.
For loving me for so much, for over again, for life, Krampus in heaven. Thank you so much.
A world where pain and sorrow will be ended, and every heart.
Love was in the little things, like making sure we always had the full meal, checking in our happiness, or taking the time to go places just to be with us a little longer. I am so grateful and blessed to have had those moments with him. I will forever cherish them and thank you, Lola, for everything. I love you and I will always remember you.
This is a tribute not just for Daddy, but really to the Eduardo family. You know, Alice, you have fathered and mothered your family the way all of us want to. As an eldest daughter, you have not lacked in anything. Not provision, not love, not time. attention and care. So I think this is a man who is with Jesus tonight. He is in heaven. And how blessed he is to have all of you love him.
Thank you to God for stripping all evils and all sickness of this earth from Lolo, and may his soul rest in peace.
Give us faith so we'll be
He makes occasions even more special by approaching each of our tables and being his silly self. It is definitely a joy to be around Lolo. He jokes around with our friends, which gives us all of us profound memories of him.
I dread going out the garden during the afternoon and no longer seeing him in his woven chair where he'd always be. I won't hear his thesis saying, "Ate, bakit di mo ko tinawag kumain?" Or when he asked, "Nasaan si Jess? Nasaan si James? Ate, nasaan ang mami mo? Saan si Elisa?" When he doesn't see us on our seat for dinner, now it's him we will never see on his seat again. From now on, wherever you may be, your gaze will be enough. Thank you for laughing and loving us through the pain. Rest in peaceful paradise, Lolo. One day we hope to meet you and see you again. Thank you.
Lolo, I will never forget your funny laughs whenever you make a joke, your iconic uniform, your sometimes inappropriate periods, and most importantly, the love you gave to all of us. From your kids to your grandchildren, you may not have been the most affectionate type, Lolo, but you were always present. We love you, Lolo, and please watch over us from up there.
Life well lived, Lolo. I will always remember you. I know you're watching over us right now. Be our guide as we go on through our lives. Thank you, Lolo.
I'd like to begin by expressing my heartfelt thanks to everyone for gathering together to honor and celebrate the long and rich life of my Lolo. Since I'm currently studying abroad, I wasn't able to make it back home, but through this video, I want to send all my thoughts, love, and gratitude to my family and everyone here who was fortunate and blessed enough to have shared time, laughter, and love with Lolo Andres. Lolo was deeply loved by all of us, despite his moments of mischief, which are what arguably brought joy and laughter to our family gatherings. You could count on him to fill the silence with his jokes and entertainment tactics, and I personally was lucky enough to experience and witness the uncontrollable laughter that followed. My dad often said that my mom, small, is just like Lolo. They both shared a childlike wonder and playfulness that never faded, even with age. Although they shared the same naughtiness at some points, they shared the unique talent to get a laugh out of people, bring smiles to people's faces, and make everyone around them feel lighter and a little happier. Now I see where my mom gets it from. Again, I want to extend my thoughts, prayers, and love to everyone present, especially to my family. May Lolo Andres rest in peace and in power. Thank you.
It's so painful to lose a parent, but he lived a full life, and Lolo's been like, he did everything the things that will make him happy. So now I'm saying my goodbye to Lolo. I will not see you. My message is, Lolo, rest well, and I know you'll be in heaven. And I always pray from the Lord that to bless and be with my dad. Huwag niya papabayaan si dad, and always watch over us.
Sa pagtawag ng Panginoon sa Kanya, meron na po kayong tagadasal sa langit. And there is that Father praying for everyone. Kasi the prayer of a Father is always a powerful prayer. Amen.
Thank the family Eduardo for your generosity, especially your philanthropic programs and projects.
I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world.
His existence was a testament to love, service, and unwavering dedication to those around him, especially to his family. Daddy Doc exemplified what it means to live fully and generously. He was not just a father, but always a guide and always a protector. In remembering him, let us commit to living out his legacy.
My huckleberry friend, moon, river, and me. Moon, river, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm
Andres was a very good person, that he made a big difference in the lives not only of his children or wife, but of the community in general. So he lived a beautiful and meaningful life.
So if you have a loved one who asks you something, find time to for their request, because you will never know when the last time will come that they will stop asking you. We love you, Father. May you rest in peace and look over us, your children.
There will never be enough words to express how much you meant to all of us. But know this, your family and all the lives you've touched and will carry your spirit with them always. You gave us the best part of yourself, and for that we will be forever grateful. Thank you, Dade. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I know you're always there for us and just watch over us. Okay, rest well, Dad. We're here for you and we'll pray for you, and I will remember you every single day of my life. I love you, Dad.
Daddy, we will miss you more than words can ever express. But we will honor you by carrying forward the values you held dear. We will remember you in every act of kindness, in every moment of grace, in every carefully chosen word and deed. Rest in peace, Daddy. We love you beyond measure, and your love will guide us always. Love you, Daddy. We love you.
I found with you through the years. I've never been afraid of love, the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years.
Give our beloved brother Andres peaceful rest in this grave until that day when you, the resurrection and the life, will raise him up in glory. Then may he see the light of your presence, Lord Jesus, in the kingdom where you lead forever and ever. Amen.
And another memories that I remember about my dad is like, whistle siya ng whistle. Natatakot siguro my mom, the whistle will be gone one day. And now, my mom wouldn't hear the whistle anymore. It's so, the whole day, that's what we hear at home.
Vlog and people started to like him. He's so funny. People who were going through like struggles in life, they said, "Oh my God, we'll miss Lolo in the vlog." And now I will miss him because hindi na ko na siya makakasama sa vlog. So Lolo, bakit mo ako iniwan? I'll be the only one making people laugh. Thank you guys, and to everyone who came, supported us, each and every one of you. Thank you so much. We will not forget all of this. Thank you so much, guys. No bashing. It's for fun. Thank you.
So guys, miss na miss ko talaga si Daddy at ng mga siblings ko. And siya ang alam ko, nagpatawa, nagpasaya rin sa inyo. And mamimiss natin siya sa vlog. And okay, to everyone who's there to support our family, each and every one of you, I thank you guys for all the love and support. Kasi it means so much to our family during this difficult time. We really need support. And thank you so much for loving Daddy. And nababasa ko yung mga comments nyo. Talagang naiyak ako sa mga messages nyo for my dad. Sobrang miss na miss ko siya. And thank you so much, guys. Okay? So, for now, I need a short break. But I will be back soon because I know ito yung gusto ng daddy ko na ituloy ko. Kasi sabi niya, proud na proud daw siya sa akin. And I know, nakikita niya sa vlog, laging nagsusungit ang suplado. I know, he's watching me from heaven. And of course, my message to my dad, I know you're there and be our guardian angel here. And always watch over us. And Dad, magparamdam ka naman. I miss you so much. I'm always waiting. Nag-dream na ako ng once. So, sana every night, kahit Daddy sabihin mo, tumahimik ako, I'll still be waiting for you sa dream ko, ha? Magparamdam ka naman, ha? Sobrang miss na miss ka na namin. So, I love you, Daddy. And guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Sobra kong na-appreciate ng support niyo and love for the family. And I hope na-enjoy niyo tong tribute natin for Daddy. Kasi hindi na natin siya makakasama sa vlog. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo watching this. Thank you. He's so cute. I wanna hug him.